Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can add notes in the cells. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give a like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So for adding notes, firstly select the cells where you want to add notes. So after selecting the cells, click the right side of mouse and here you can see the options of new notes. So just click on it and then you can see you can add your notes. So after adding notes, so you can also change the color, style and size of text. So when you will click on the lower side of the notes, so after that click the right side of mouse. So when you will click on the lower side of the notes and then click the right side of mouse, and here you can see the options of format comment. So after that you can see the options of font style, size, color. So here you can change the font style and you can also select any size of the text. So after selecting, so here you can change the color of the text. So after selecting the color, here you can also add effect. So when you will click on it, you can see effect is added. So if you do not want to add any effect, so just unselect all these. So after that click on OK. So guys, you can also add notes by other method. So when you will click on cells, here you can see the options of review. So just click on it and here you can see notes options. So when you will click on it, you can see new notes. So here you can add notes according to the previous method. So after adding, you can also change it. So guys, in this way you can add notes in the Excel. So if you want to delete notes, so just click on the cells where you added your notes. After that click the right side of mouse and here you can see the options of delete notes. So click on it, you can see the notes is deleted. So if you want to delete the other, so again follow these steps to delete the notes. So guys, in this way you can delete the notes. So guys, in this way you can add notes in the cells in Excel. So guys, if you want to watch more useful videos related to Excel, then go to playlist and you can find more useful videos related to Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.